Hi, I thought I would show you today a fun little appetizer that you can throw together when you're having family or friends over. They're basically baked potatoes that you put all the fixings on, except they're going to be a mini size. So get yourself maybe a pound to pound and a half of the little baby potatoes, and then you'll also need all the fixings. So we're going to have a few tablespoons of butter, a little bit of sour cream, salt, pepper, some chives, and some bacon. So our first step is going to be to pierce all of the little potatoes with a fork, and then we're going to roast them in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes at about 400 degrees. So here we go. The potatoes have cooked in the oven for about 40 minutes or so. I have set them out to cool, and now they're cooled. I'm going to take each potato now and I'm going to slice it lengthwise and then basically scoop out these shells. So I have like a grapefruit spoon here. I'm going to take each potato half and scoop out the flesh. Just set the flesh aside for a different purpose later, making mashed potatoes maybe or something like that. And then I'm going to take each shell. I've melted some butter here, maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons is plenty. And then you just are going to brush the inside of each potato shell as well as the outside. And then we're going to broil it in the oven again, and just for 2 to 3 minutes, just to get a little bit crispy. So then you're going to take it back out, and then what we're putting inside is cheddar cheese, sour cream, chives, and a little bacon. The bacon we have crisped up in the oven as well, and we've just chopped it really finely. And then you finish it off with salt and pepper. So it's a nice little treat that's easy to just pop in your mouth when you're having a party. So it's a perfect little appetizer to serve. Thank you.